Hello, and welcome to my kitchen. Who am I? I'm Mama Owl. The first thing you need to know about my kitchen is that it is an allergy friendly kitchen. Specifically, we deal with gluten and about 6 of the other top 8 allergens that are on the lists out there. Predominantly, my son is the one that has the issues, so we try to take care of all of his needs as best we can. So I decided that I wanted to start this channel mainly to help bring awareness to the fact that allergy-friendly cooking doesn't have to be intimidating. It doesn't have to be gross or taste bad. It doesn't have to be overly expensive. Now, granted, it is going to be a little bit more expensive than, say, going to McDonald's, but this is a way that you can cook for your family that has allergies, or if you have somebody that is coming to your home that has allergies without being intimidated, or them having to bring their own food. One of the nicest things for my family is being invited somewhere and knowing that that place is safe to eat for my family. So that's a very important piece of all of this. And if we can bring even a little bit of comfort or awareness or even, dare say, excitement towards the possibility of cooking allergen friendly. I might be getting a little bit ahead of myself. Let me explain how we got started in all of this to begin with, so that I can help you understand why I'm so passionate about it. About 9 years ago, our youngest child, our son, was very sick. And it was a very scary time. It was a really frustrating time because none of the doctors could figure out what was wrong with him. He was in a lot of pain. He was suffering, and we couldn't figure out why this was happening to him. There were words thrown around that were very scary for any parent to hear. You know, the big C word. Nobody wants to think about their 3-year-old having cancer. Thankfully, we were very fortunate that that was not the case with him. But it took a long time and a lot of doctors, I think about half a dozen or so, to finally figure out that he was a child with very severe allergies. Not just environmental, but a lot of food allergies. Because of those food allergies, now remember, this was 9 years ago when things like gluten-free and allergen-friendly food generally meant it tasted like cardboard. And it was really expensive. Nowadays, we're a lot more fortunate, and one of the things that I'm going to be doing on this channel is reviewing allergen-friendly products, because I think it is really important to know what is out there, what is good, what is mediocre, and what should be used for specific things, because there are some products that are very good if you take that product and turn it into something else, but not necessarily use it for, say, what it says on the packaging. So that's something we want to focus on. But then also the ability to take plain ingredients, different kinds of flours, and make actual scratch foods that you can have. So one of the things that's fun for us is my son cannot do lactose at all, and he cannot do gluten. So how do you make a gluten-free mac and cheese? How do you make a mac and cheese that has no mac, or a gluten-free mac and cheese that is safe? That's one of those things that I'm going to want to teach you guys how to do. So that's a little bit about me and my family and how we got started. And hopefully you guys will be excited to go on this journey and learn some of the things that I've been learning over the last 9 years, and maybe share some things that I haven't experienced yet with me. And we can grow together and bring awareness to a wider group of people about allergies and food. And one of the main questions that everybody always asks us is, so what exactly do you eat? My response to that, so what exactly do we eat? Anything.